video, I'm going to show you how to fix wireless display not showing in Windows 11. First, open optional features by pressing Windows plus I to open settings, then navigate to apps and select optional features. Next, click view features under add an optional feature. Here, you should normally see wireless display in the list. Now check your Windows versions by pressing Windows plus R, typing WinVer and pressing enter. Ensure you are on Windows 11 version 21H2 or later. If your version is outdated, update Windows by going to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for updates because the wireless display features is not available on very old builds. If wireless display is not visible in Settings, press Windows plus X and open Windows Terminal as administrator. Then type the command which you can see on your screen to install the wireless display optional features and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. This forces Windows to add the wireless display feature. After installation, restart your PC, then open Settings, go to Apps, and Optional Features again to confirm that wireless display is now listed. Now, press Windows plus K or go to Settings, then System and Display, and click Connect to Wireless Display. Choose your compatible Miracast device or Smart TV and start projecting. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.